4 shocking facts that you can actually use both in your singing and in your everyday life. So, what are these facts? First, if you force it, you're gonna get further from it. That's kind of a truth in life. Whatever you do, it doesn't have to be singing, everything. That whatever you force, you are going to just get further from it. Same thing in singing. If you try to, sing a high note and you don't know how to do it, but you try to force it, you're just gonna get further from it. Why? Because what's happening when you actually try to force a note or a sound? You are going to get tension here in the neck. And when it gets tense, everything is gonna be like closed. So if you relax, you open up. If you force, you close. So same thing in singing and life. If you will relax, you open up yourself to the possibilities. You are just putting the oars down and just let yourself go with the flow. All right, number 2, if you shout, no one listens. It kind of hurts. When somebody's shouting, it really hurts our ears. So even when somebody's shouting and singing, or someone trying to shout at you and try to make a point, people don't even listen. Or what people do in this case, they just keep telling their own truth, their own truth, their own truth. So somebody is shouting, no one's going to hear what actually that person say. Number 3, if it hurts, that's not the right way to do. It's incorrect. In life and in singing, if something hurts, that's definitely not the right way. If you're constantly living in pain or singing with pain, that's not gonna give you the required or the desired result that you're looking for. So of course, sometimes when we have, pain, we can express with singing the pain, we can sing it out loud, but that's okay. If it hurts, that's definitely not the right way to do. Same thing in life. If it hurts, if you're constantly living in pain, that's not going to give you that kind of life that you desire. Number 4, emotions. Emotions. Using emotions are the way to manifest whatever you want in life, even if it's negative, even if it's positive. Obviously, we don't really want negative things in life, but sometimes it happens because we don't even realize actually how we feel. So for example, that's why it's very, very important to feel good. Whatever you do, just enjoy it, because whenever you have positive feelings, whenever you feel good, that's already a sign of abundance, because you are living in that moment, you're enjoying the moment. That is the best way to manifest positive things in your life. Joy, when you sing with the joy, that creates a much stronger and bigger energy than singing with a negative emotion. Same thing in life. If you feel good, if you enjoy yourself, that's a much stronger and bigger and powerful energy, and you are going to get further with the positive emotions instead of constantly feeling bad, sick, or jealous, or angry, or frustrated. So one more time, the 4 shocking facts you can apply in singing and in your everyday life. First of all, if you force it, you're gonna get further from it. Second, if you shout, no one listens. 3, if it hurts, it's not correct. And 4, emotions. Apply positive emotions. Whatever you do, enjoy yourself, because that's the way to creating positive things in your life. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, follow, or subscribe. Or if you're ready to move on to the next step, please click on the link below or above. Check out my website and what can I do for you as a coach one-to-one. Thank you very much for your support. You guys are the best.